Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing a Christmas tree. So let's get started. To draw this cute Christmas tree, let's start by drawing the star on top. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to aim to draw a rounder, softer star. So I'm going to come right here and just kind of round everything off. And same thing here. And two more. So just round it off and bring it back to the center, about right here. And one more on the other side. There. And then since we're here, let's bring it to life. So I'm going to come right here with this oval and shade it in. Same thing here. So these little cute eyes and then a smile, of course. And cap it off. And I'll just come right here and just draw two little curves on top. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and start our Christmas tree. So I'm going to come in about right here on both sides. And once again, we're just going to curve it out. And curve it out. So we're just drawing a bunch of layers here. And let's go ahead and round it off. So this is our first layer. And let's see here, I'm just going to connect it with a bunch of curves. And it doesn't have to be even at all. So we have one layer. Let's go ahead, come in a little bit more. And about right here. Same thing on the other side. Just want to start off at about the same level and then you go ahead and just connect it with a bunch of these curves. Sometimes big, sometimes small, just to mix it up a little bit. Okay, so that's two. We're aiming to draw 4 layers today. So then one here, and it's going to get wider as we come down. So all right there. And once again, and as we go across, we're just kind of aiming to draw it at an angle. Sorry, at a curve. Okay, so one last one. So let's come right about here once again and curve out. And curve out. Down a little bit more, and at the bottom right here, I'm just going to make my curves a little bit bigger. And connect. There. Okay, all done. So then at the bottom, just find your center. I'm just going to go down this tree to make sure approximately. So my center is approximately right here. So I'm going to go to the left, and I just want about the same amount of space right here to draw our tree trunk. So I'm just going to draw 2 angle lines and connect it with a curve. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's start the fun part of decorating it. So I'm going to come right into the center area and just draw this really huge circle for an ornament. And we're going to draw 2 on this one. This is just meant to inspire you. You can decorate your tree however you like. So I can't wait to see your fan art. And maybe 3 on this one. So with these circles, you can put whatever you want in them to decorate it. You can make them look like actual ornaments, or you can put faces. It's all up to you. So now that I have that, let's see here. That'd be cute to just put a bow on this one, so on the bottom. So I'm going to come to the center, which is here, and about right in this space. I'm going to draw the center of our bow and come out. 2 big loops to fill in the space. Then the center of our bow. And let's go ahead and just draw a curve going around for a ribbon going around. So same thing on the other side. So I need to kind of turn my body here a little bit to draw this curve. There. Okay, and then let's see here. Some other things we could do is probably could add in some of these little sparkles maybe. Maybe at an angle. And let's see, then in the circles, I'm just going to simplify it today, and I'm just going to put a heart on this one. But like I said, you can put faces, maybe another star on this one. This kind of shape perhaps. Let's see here. And another heart. Why not? And last one. Maybe kind of like this flower shape. There. And then of course you can add a bunch of little circles here and there, maybe when you're coloring, to decorate it more. And let's see. There. Okay, so hopefully that's enough, but and hopefully I've inspired you today to draw this beautifully decorated Christmas tree, and that I hope you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.